are four words. So, in other words, hindi yung here ang basis mo for the order, but it's the author's family name. Kasi, ang titingnan mo naman talaga pagdating sa references, no, ay the references are arranged in an alphabetical manner. Okay, next slide. Secondary sources. Ito pa, maraming mga ganitong mga crimes, no, na committed, no, dito. So secondary sources, name the original work and give a citation for the secondary source.
No ba?
For example,
No ba?
if Freud's work is cited in the process, and you did not see Freud's work, no, you should write it this way. The theory of psychosexual stages of development by Freud are cited in the Jose 2003. Halimbawa, ang nakuha mong material, no, ay yung akin, yung research ko, and I quoted Freud. You know Sigmund Freud? Sigmund Freud, no? A very famous psychoanalyst, no? Psychologist that made the field of psychology more interesting, really, no? Okay. Even more interesting. So kung nakita mo na you need the material, no, or you need the idea or the concept of Freud, no, pero nabasa mo yon doon sa aking papel, okay? So halimbawa, yung Freud let's say, Freud 1939, sa classic, nakalagay ito sa akin. The theory of psychological stages of development by Freud, 1939, stated that, blah, blah, blah. Ang ibang estudyante, o ibang author, kinokopya yun, no? Freud 1939. Pagdating doon sa references, wala naman si Freud 1939. So, ang daming ganyan, I tell you, no? Baka kayo ay guilty rin sa ganyan. Kung ano yung nakalagay doon sa article, no? Yun na yung kinokopya. Okay? Without considering na secondary source lang, no? Yung pinagkunan nyo. So, you should cite it this way. Okay? Cited in the Jose 2003. Now, this is another new thing in the 6th edition of the APA format. Kasi dati, ilalagay pa yung year. Freud, 1939, cited in the Jose 2003. Pero ngayon hindi na. Ganito na daw, no? Sa APA manual, Freud, cited in the Jose 2003. And dapat ang mag-appear sa references, si De Jose. Okay? But use secondary sources sparingly. Baka naman yung buong chapter 2 nyo, no, ay puro secondary. Hindi naman maganda na halimbawa. Freud, cited in Jose 2003. The next page na naman. According to Alford, cited in Jose 2003. Tapos the next page na naman, meron na naman, no? According to, in another research, no, published by, let's say, Santos, cited in Jose 2003. Kung natin chapter 3 niya, kinuha niya doon sa De Jose. Diba? Hindi ka na nag-research. Hindi ka na nag-research. No? Pagka ganon. We don't allow that. No? I don't know. Hindi kayo papayagan ni Ma'am Julie at ni Ma'am Olvia ng ganyan. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ka na nag-research talaga. Kinopya mo na lang yung trabaho ng isang author. Pero meron.
Hindi kaya po ng